Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another After Christmas Clean with me. So y'all, this video is long overdue. It was pre-recorded. I recorded it on December 31st, but I'm just now getting it edited and uploaded. So even though it's late, I still wanted to get this video uploaded for y'all. So it's been a minute since I last posted on this channel. Just been having a lot going on. Haven't had much time to film and edit and all that. So but I'm trying to get back on track with that. So it is a brand new year. Happy 2023. Hope y'all had a good start to your new year so far, and I pray that 2023 be good to each and every one of us. So but yeah, that's pretty much that. Before I get too far into this video, I want to say hello to any new subscribers that I may have. Thank y'all for stopping by and supporting my channel, and also I want to thank my old subscribers as well, those that's been here for a while. I want to thank y'all. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. So but that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
So these storage totes came from Walmart. They was marked down to like $6, so I got 3 of them because I'm gonna need them for storage anyway. I thought I was gonna be able to fit this tree off in it, but it didn't fit, so I just put it back in the original box.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna deep. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can fill your mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
So this is just an artificial plant that I had for a while. It's been in my bathroom, but I decided to use it on my table as a centerpiece. So y'all, Kroger had an after Christmas sale on their candles. So this is the one that I picked up. It smells so good. It's called All the Cookies. It smells just like sugar cookies. It's the 18-ounce jar and it was $3.90. So I couldn't pass that up. So y'all, I had these boxes stacked up over here by the door because they supposed to been going outside to my storage room. But y'all, we misplaced the storage room key. We don't know where it is. It's nowhere to be found. But we have since, you know, found it. But since I couldn't put it away in this video, I'm just moving everything, you know, back to the other side of my dining table so it can just be out the way. So y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So that's it for now. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.